Hello, virtual world.
You are so ugly for that.
Don't be a hater. All right. I know. Harris was watching my video. She was like, I don't know how you haven't been fired. And I was like, what? She was like, some of the things that you say. And I was like, I don't care. They knew what they were getting when they picked me. They knew. Okay, so we're going to continue with parallelograms. Okay, before when we looked at a parallelogram, we looked at the inside. Okay, we looked at each four corners because a parallelogram has four sides, and we looked at the degrees and the angles of the insides. And so if we're looking at one corner and it's opposite sides, what do we know about that for degrees? They're going to equal each other. Okay, and then if they're on the same sides, what's that do? They add up to be 180. You could take this one plus this one, and they add up to be, voila, 180. Okay, so those are just rules with parallelograms. Okay, parallelograms can be a square or a rectangle or some other four-sided weird-looking figure, or it could be something very nice. Okay, these are all very specific parallelograms. And so there are properties that we're going to learn about the outside length. Okay, not the degrees, the outside length, because there's a difference. Although we could find this degrees on all four corners, which is what we had been doing, there are properties of the outside length. Okay, so it's not degrees, it could be inches, feet, etc. And it's really easy. So it works the same, and they're almost easier. So if this is 24, what do you think that the other side has to be? 24, and they look pretty similar. However, and if you think about a rectangle, okay, if you think about a rectangle has all 90-degree angles, okay, on the inside, but if this one is 6, then this one has to be 6, okay, and if the longer side is 12, the other longer side is 12. Okay, what makes something a square is that it also has 4 right angles, but what is a square sides? If this is 6, what is this side? 6, and this side is 6, and this side is 6. Okay, that is the difference between a square and a rectangle. And so this is kind of a rectangle, but it's tilted off to the side if you squished it and moved it up. Okay, so this one is going to be 24. Write it down. Trevor, what are you doing? Writing it down? Okay, so if you look at 3, we have one that is 10.6. So what is the other side? 10.6. Okay, it's pretty easy. There's nothing like crazy going on here. If this side is 9.9, what is the other side? 9.9. Easy, right? If this side is 23, what is the other side? 23. And this one looks like a rectangle. Okay, it could be, it could not be, okay, but it looks like this would probably be a right angle, but I cannot say that for sure right now, okay, and we're going to get into how to solve for sides and the angles eventually, okay, and then last one, if this is 10.7, what's the other side? 10.7, okay, nothing crazy going on. Okay, and so using those properties, we can do ones where it has variables. Okay, so one of our sides is 19. The other opposite side that we already know is the same length, okay, is 4x plus 3. And so they want us to solve for x. Okay, so how would we set this up? If you know this side is 19, what should this side be? 19. Okay, they are equal to each other. Okay, they're going to equal each other. No matter what numbers are here, this side should equal this side. Okay, and that's just a property that we know. Okay, and so we're going to set this up, and you're going to say 4x plus 3, this side is equal to what side? The other side, which is 19. Okay, and so it's just a matter of solving for that variable. So what needs moved first? I got 4x plus 3 equals 19. The plus 3 needs moved, so I'm going to say minus 3 is So I got 4x equals 19 minus 3 is something.
16.
16. And then what's our next step? Divide. Okay, 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, now if you're really feeling some type of way, you could plug this in. We already know that one side is 19 for sure. The other side, you could plug in x equals 4. So 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3, which is 19. And so those both work out. However, you don't need to plug it in. It says solve for x, and we did just that. Okay, if it says plug it in or find something or the other, then that's what you need to do. This straight up just says solve for x. Bree, you done writing? Don't be lying.
Look.
Well,
Well, at least you showed proof.
you got 20 missing assignments, so I can't trust it now. Most people come to me for help. Like when they can't hack it with the other teacher. I don't know what your deal is, man. Okay, so this one, I got one side is 2x minus 6. The opposite side of it is 12. So how do we set it up?
So 2x minus 6 equals 12.
Okay, and here is the easiest way to do this. If you put the variable already on the left side, so this side has the variable, right, this one. If you put it already on the left, it's going to make a lot less work for you. Okay, unless they both have variables, then you're going to have to move some stuff around, okay? So we're going to plus 6 on both sides. Okay, I got 2x equals 12 plus 6 is 18. So I got 2x equals 18. Divide by 2. Okay.
X equals 9.
So 18 divided by 2, and yes, x equals 9.
Gee, you get the test there.
No, because I can't.
No, because she was zoning like,
No, I wasn't.
yes, she was. Dear virtual world, Bree is on that today, and I don't know what to do. Somebody help me.
Hey, virtual world. I'm Sammy and I hate my life.
That's not
Are you
nice.
on crack this morning?
Huh?
Are you on crack this morning?
Listen, I
What?
Did
can't.
you hit a line or two before you came into school?
The camera is on. I can't tell you anything.
Oh, snap, right.
Okay, can I scroll?
Yeah, are you capable?
Okay, so 15 says 4x minus 7, and the other exact opposite side is 21.
So 4x minus 7
Plus 21.
equals 20.
Equals 21. So we gotta say one side is equal to the other.
So plus 7 on both sides.
Plus 7 on both sides. Okay, so I got 4x equals 21 plus 7, 28. So I got 4x equals 28.
Divide by 28.
Divide by 4. It's okay.
X equals 7.
X equals 7. Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Bree?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure.
You sure?
Never leave a man behind.
Man.
Don't be childish. You're almost an adult. Yeah. So
Well, I heard it.
should probably be more manly than you'll ever be.
Oh, snap, right.
Okay, so one side is 14, the other side is 2x minus 4. How do we set this up?
2x minus 4 equals 14.
14.
Equals 14. Okay, so 2x minus 4 equals 14. What needs to move first?
The 4.
Mm-hmm.
So plus 4 both sides.
Plus 4, plus 4. Okay, so I got 2x equals 14 plus 4.
18.
18.
So
And I got 2x equals 18.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2.
X equals 9 again.
Look, you don't believe me.
Jude, why did you write so fast?
I can write fast. I just don't want to. I can write fast if I want to.
All these years I've been waiting for you and you know how to write fast?
I just
For
I
shame.
Can, but I just
You like
I
it
just
nice
don't
and neat.
try.
I know. I know.
Plus my phone distracts me, so like that's why I don't really.
Okay, so 19. I got 19x plus 1 equals
Oh, 20.
20. Okay, what needs moved first?
The 1.
The 1.
So minus 1.
That would be 19.
19x equals 20 minus 1. 19. So I got 19x equals 19.
That would be just a 1.
Yep, we're going to divide by 19. 19 divided by 19.
X equals 1.
X equals 1. There's no way you wrote that fast already.
Look,
There's no way.
Oh,
I didn't write the answer down, but I wrote already.
I wasn't even done writing it.
You'll be amazed. Like,
Yeah. Well, it's not done.
So what you're saying is you never need a phone again.
No wonder she take that.
Okay, so here is one where there's 2 variables on both sides. Okay, so one of our sides is 2x minus 2. The other side is x plus 9. Okay, so how do we set this up?
2x minus 2 plus x plus
2x minus 2 equals
Oh, equals, yeah.
the other side, so x plus 9. Okay, so what do we move?
the variable.
Yeah, we got to move the variable. Which one? The 2x on the left or the x on the right?
On the right.
The x on the right. So we're going to say minus x, minus x. What else needs moved?
The numbers.
The 2. Okay, so we say plus 2, plus 2. Okay, so on the left I got 2x minus x. It's going to be 1x. 9 plus 2 on the other side, which is 11. What's our last step always?
Divide.
Divide by 1. Good.